This is Subaru's latest incarnation of its all-terrain SUV, the Forester. The Forester already has a fearsome reputation for its off-road capability, but this fourth generation model has even more updates and improvements over its predecessor. As ever with Subaru, it has a superb symmetrical all-wheel drive system that gives you the grip and the traction to tackle any road surface. The Forester has a reputation as a go-anywhere workhorse, and that remains with this sturdy cabin and plenty of space in the boot. A clever towing assist function as well as this handy reversing camera add to the list of driver aids. But the true standout is the X-Mode system. When you're in X-Mode, the onboard computer coordinates the throttle, the transmission and the all-wheel drive system to really suit whatever conditions you're in. In this case, a ridiculously steep incline. It sends power to the tyres that have got the grip to absorb it. One of the trickiest challenges when you're driving off-road is negotiating your way down steep hills or slippery slopes. As part of the X-Mode system, this Forester has a hill descent mode that allows you to tackle tricky slopes like this one with relative ease. One of the easiest ways to lose control when you're going down a steep slope like this is by being overzealous with the brake pedal. And the X-Mode controls the braking for me, sending the braking force to the tyres with the most grip to handle it. So my feet are literally off the pedals. All you've got to do, steer in the right direction, then you arrive safely at the bottom, and then what a way to be rewarded. The Forester is purpose-built for the tough conditions these stunning rural locations can present you with. And the X-Mode is really superb, and it enables drivers of all skill levels to take on whatever the countryside has to throw at you. And it's equally strong on the road. So this really is an SUV that can take you anywhere.